Hello student, let's start exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3, question number 1 is given, add the following. Okay, first question, A number is given 4 by 5 plus 9 by 5. Don't be think that it is given in fractions, so it is very difficult. It's very easy process. Simply you have to see first denominator is given same, so you have to just write, if two denominator are given same, so you just write here 5 because it is common, one we will take. In numerator given 4, you just write 4, addition sign is there, and here is given 9, just you have to write 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13 by 5 is your answer. One more question I have to solve, question number F. 6 by 7 plus 11 by 21 plus 5 by 14 plus 6 by 14. Okay, now 7, 21, 14, 14. So these two 14 are common, so we will take 1. 7, 21, 14. First of all, we will take LCM. So I am written in the rough side 7, 21, 14. We will take the LCM. First of all, we will go with the 3 table. 3 7 is 21, 14 as well, same to same. Again go with the 2 table. 7 not possible to divide, 2 7 is 14, and we will write here 7 1 is 7. So 3 2 is 6, 6 7 is 42. Our LCM should be 42. Understood? These two are same, so we will take 1. So 7, 21 and 14. First of all, we will take the LCM. So 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 6 multiply with 7, 6 7 is 42 is our LCM. Now in 7 table 42 will come, yes definitely. How many times? 6 times. So first of all, numerator write 6 multiply 7 table 42 coming 6 times, just you will write 6, and in bracket you have to write it, plus sign. Again what given? 11, write 11 here. 21 table 42 will come, how many times? 2 times, so you just write 21 2 is 42, just here write 2, plus upside written 5 multiply sign. 14 table 42 will come, how many times? It will come in 3 times, just write here 3, addition sign, bracket, just write 6 multiply 14 table 42 will come 3 times, bracket close. Now just you have to multiply 6 6 is 36 plus 11 2 is 22 plus 5 multiply with 3 15 plus 6 3 is 18 by 42. Okay, you just add all the number. 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 6 21. Carry 2, 1 plus 1 2, 2 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 91 by 42 is your correct answer. Maybe your answer will given the mixed number, so you have to convert the mixed number also. Wait a minute, it is possible to cut, then we can cut it. Which table both will be cut? So we will go for the 7 table. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, and 7 6. So your answer should be 13 by 6. Understood? One more question I have to solve, question number 1K, because it is given the mixed number, so maybe you have to create a confusion. So one more I have to solve here. 5 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 3 plus 2 whole 2 by 9. Process is same, but only just given a mixed number. So 3 5 is 15 plus 2 17 by 3 plus 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10 by 3 plus 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 2 20 by 9. 339, you know these these three numbers are coming in three table. So which number is greater here? It is just a shortcut. Which number is greater? 9 is greater, just you take the 9. Okay, remember it, this 3 will also come in 3 table, this is also 3 table, this is also 3 table. So you just take a common. So which one is the greater? So 9 is the greater, just write here 9. If you have confusion, then you have to go with the LCM process. 3 table, 9 will come 3 times. Just same process, 17 multiply with 3 plus 10 right. 3 table, 9 will come 3 times, just 3 right here, plus 20 right. 9 table will 9 come 1 times, just multiply with 1. 17 3 is a 51 plus 10 3 is a 30 plus 20 by 9. Okay, you just add it, 30 plus 20, 50, 50, 50, 101 by 9. So you just convert into mixed fraction, because question is given the mixed number, so you just write the mixed fraction. Wait, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9, 11 9 ja 99 plus 2, 101 by 9 is your correct answer. Understood? Now question number 2 is given simplify. Question number 2 is given simplify. Process are same, just you have to see a number 5 5 both are same, so just take a common number 5. 9 right here, because 5 till 5 will come 1 times, so 5 1 is 5, 9 1 is 9, subtract sign minus right here. 5 till 5 will come 1 times, so that 1 will multiply with 3, so 3. 9 minus 3, 6 by 5. Okay, this is a very short process and I think it is very easy for you. Now one more difficult question is there, question number F, which is given 16 21 by 25 minus 15 whole 16 by 75. You just change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. 25 multiply with 16, 400, 400 plus 21, so 421 is here by 25. Okay, minus 75 multiply with 15. You have to multiply these two numbers. 75 multiply with 15, 1125 plus 60. Okay, which is 1185 by 75. Now here 25 given, here 75, just you take the LCM. So this is my rough page I will do here, 25 and 75. First of all go with the 5 table, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Again go with the 5 table, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. Now 3 1 is 3. So 5 5 is 25, 25 3 is 75. 75 is our LCM. Okay. Now 25 table, 75 will come 3 times. So that 3 will multiply with 421. 421 multiply with 3. Okay. You just write here 1263, subtract sign. Now 1185 multiply with 1 times. Why? Because 75 1 just 75. So same right, 1185. Now this two you have to subtract. 1263 subtract with 1185, which is 78 by 75. Okay, because question is given mixed number, so definitely your answer will be mixed number. Question number 2, number F. So is it possible to cut? So this 2 first of all we will cut. Okay, we can cut with the table 3. Three 2 is 6, 3 6 is 18, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. 26 by 25, because question is given mixed number, so your answer should be also mixed number. 25 1 is 25 plus 26. 25 1 is 25 plus 1, 26 by 25 is your correct answer. Now move to question number 3. Question number 3 is given. What number should be added to 5 by 14? 5 by 14 to get 1 5 by 7. What number should be added? You just solve with the process. Simply for 5 by 14 given, okay, to get 7 on 7 plus 5, 12 by 7. What number should be added? So simply first of all we will write 12 by 7. Subtract with 5 by 14. Okay. What number should be added? So simply we can go with the process. 7 and 14. You take the LCM, then LCM should be 14. Okay. 7 table 14 will come 2 times. How many times? 2 times. So that 2 will be multiplied with 12. 12 2s are 24. Subtract sign. 14 table 14 will come 1 times. That 1 will multiply with 5. So 5 1s are 5. 24 subtract with 5, 19 by 14. And because question is given the mixed number, so answer also 14 1s are 14 plus 5 is your correct answer. Understood? Question number 4. Question number 4 is given. What number should be subtracted from 3 to get to 1 by 3? So simply 3, because there is no given any fraction way, so we will just suppose here 1. Subtracted 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. Okay. Now take the LCM 3 and 1. Very easy. It means 3 is your LCM. 1 table 3 will come 3 times. 1 table 3 will come 3 times. That 3 will multiply with 3. So 3 3s are 9. Subtract sign. 3 table 3 will come 1 times. That 1 will be multiplied with 7. So 9 subtract with 7. 2 by 3 is your answer. Understood? Move to question number 5. Question number 5 is given. A 4 by 5 meter long rope. Rope means rassi. This is the rope. Okay. It is given 4.4 by 5 meter. Okay. One rope. If one part, suppose this part is given 2 by 3 meter. We have to find the other part. Okay. One part is given 2 by 3. Total rope given 4 by 5 meter. One part is given 2 by 3. But other part not given. So we will just find the other part. What we will do? You just write length of a rope is equal to 4 by 5 meter. One part of a rope length is equal to 2 by 3 meter. Either you have to write length of one part is given 2 by 3rd. Now the other part is equal to 4 by 5 subtract with 2 by 3. Same process, you just take the LCM 5 3, both are different number, so 4 5 and 3, these are the different table will come. So simply you multiply 5 multiply with 3, 15. And if you have confusion, then go with the LCM process. Just write 4 multiply sign. 5 table 15 will come how many times? 3 times. Subtract 2, write 3 table 15 will come 5 times. 4 3s are 12 minus 2 5s are 10 by 15. Just you have to subtract 2 by 15 meter. 2 by 15 meter is other part of the rope. Understood? Question number 6 is given. Multiply. What given? Multiply. It is also very easy process. You just look at here. A number is given 1 1 by 3 by 9 by 16. Okay, 3 1 जा 3 plus 1 4 by 3. By means multiply 9 by 16. Okay, so just you can use, if it is possible to cross multiplication, we have to cut either up and down. Understood? Don't cut straight, either you will cut the cross multiplication way, either up and down. So 3 table 9 will come 3 times, 4 table 16 will come 4 times. It means 3 by 4 is your answer. One more question I have to solve, question number B. Oh, which is easy, but one I have to solve. 5 by 7 by 1 by 20. Now 7 5 is 35 plus 5 40 by 7. By means multiply, 21 is 20 plus 1 21 by 20. Okay, so 7 table 21 will cut 3 times, 20 table 40 will come 2 times. So 3 2s are 6 is your correct answer. So today question number 1 to 6 you have to solve in your classwork notebook. Is there any doubt? Then I have to solve tomorrow. Thank you.